All right. So, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? So, we're ready for the market today, huh? Ready for the market. Now, let's go and see our new top tip account. Now, here's the thing. Um, Here's the thing, right? Discipline is the main thing in trading. Discipline, patience. These are the main qualities a trader needs to have, right? Now, I would say I have been the most disciplined these past couple of months for trading. I mean, I have been trading with discipline. I have been following my rules, but for backtesting, it's kind of iffy, right? So for this account, we're gonna be trading with the maximum discipline. All right, single trade a day or no trade a day doesn't matter, but we will be trading with the maximum discipline. All right. So by that concept, we are having a fresh start. We are having a fresh trading account, and we're gonna see what will happen to this account if we trade with our maximum capabilities. All right. So that's the concept behind this account. I have a couple other accounts that I um I put a hold on it because I don't want to be risking that account and losing that account because that account is that accounts are source of my income, right? These account feed me, you could say. So that's the point behind this new account. It's like a challenge to me myself. So yeah, let's continue with our pre-market analysis then. All right, and we're just gonna do 50K trading combine because it's not the size that builds the discipline, right? It's kind of stepping down your ego to trade a smaller account and make smaller profits so that you can actually start from ground zero, right? Because here's the thing, once you're used to trading big money, you kind of lose the concept of money, right? You kind of you kind of think that money comes to you easily, right? And once you have these big winning days, $1,000, $2,000, that kind of gives you a high that you want to chase every day, right? And sometimes that leads to you not following your rules. That's why we're gonna be trading with the 50K top step combine. Smallest size possible, does not matter, as long as you follow your rules. Here's the thing: if you make 5% a month, right? If you make 5% a month, and if you make that in a top step 50K account, then that's 2.5K, right? But if you make that in a 100K account, that's $5,000. If you make that in a $1 million account, then that's $50,000, right? So it's not the capital that you need to focus on. It's not the profit that you need to focus on. It's the it's the process behind it, right? It's the it's the way you trade that matters. It's not the money. It's not how much you make. Even if you make $5 a day, but you trade with maximum discipline, I respect that. Than the person making $1 million a day that trades with no discipline. Because in long term, the person that trades with discipline is gonna overtake the person that trades with no discipline and makes $1 million a day, right? That person is gonna fucking blow up, right? So that's the process behind it. It's trying to get into that mental game again, right? So, what is happening in the market right now? So, as you can see, this was right after the Iran or some kind of a thing. So, this was on Monday. On Monday, what did we do? What did we do on Monday? Let's see our stream. Uh, this was on Monday, I think. Uh, I don't see any buying liquidity right now. All right, this was on Monday. So what did we take? We took a long. I still have this account. $920. Then that means I just need to make $2,000. I could fucking risk $200 a trade and make it easily, right? Once we build that initial capital up, it's super easy to make the money, right? It's super easy to pass the account. You just need to build the initial capital, right? You just need to be able to trade it with patience. It's not about how much money you risk or how fast you pass that account. It's about how consistently you trade, right? So that's the thing people need to understand. It's not people be out there talking about I made $10,000 a day, I made $20,000 a day. Yeah, you made it, but next year you're gonna lose that all that money back. You're gonna lose fucking $40,000 a day. Cause the by the way you trade, it's gonna happen someday, right? So let's not focus on the profit. Let's focus on the process. Let's not focus on the end journey, right? Let's focus on the journey itself. All right. Anyways, uh, let's go on and see. I think we took just a long, right? I'm not, I can just check my own journal. All right. Monday. All right. Let's see what happened on Monday. So it was a opening range breakout setup. We take to the 5 minute opening range from right there, and a little bit of a winning streak going on in this account. So we took the opening range right off this breakout. The tape was pretty strong, so makes sense. All right. So Monday, we took this trade right from here to somewhere around here, but 10 p.m. we missed this big trade, right? We missed this big trade. So that's I would say this trade should not have been missed by me, right? This trade, I should have taken this trade, all right? Because it was right around my trading time, and I think I stepped off the charts a little early, so makes sense too. But this was a classic reversal setup, right? So next time to keep in mind. All right, next trade. So here's the thing. Here's a nice thing about live streaming. I can just live stream and look back on my live and see what did I trade and what I didn't, right? Just like right now. So it's almost like a second journal for me. I mean, it's good, you know how it works, right? So New York PM, we had this Asia session, we just fucking slammed down. London session, we found some base around here. New York session, we took that base, fucking rammed through the high too, and fucking found another ceiling around here. Came down, chopped around a bit, and around this point, we found another base around here, found another ceiling, another resistance, fucking rammed through again, and came up again, right? And found another ceiling. So, so what's the plan for right now? So I would say right now the plan is we took the London high, right? And if we look at the profiles, how does the profile define the trades? Now let's look at the profiles. So value area high, value area low, value area high, value area low. The value is moving up a little bit, little bit. You see right here from here. So the value is forming on the upper range of this, right? So compression phase, right? We're in a compression phase, and the value is moving up, right? So what does that determine? So that determines that market is probably gonna break out to the upside or take the high and break out to the lower side, right? So that's the bias for now. I mean, buyers. I mean, the bias ain't shit right now. I mean, bias doesn't matter. If market decides to fucking slam down, then we're gonna take a shot. The bias is just being. It's like being a little bit prepared for your exam, but the real the real exam happens once you start giving your exam, right? Right. Right. Now, we're just gonna wait for our setup, right? See how we do around this value area high and how we do around this POC. So just by looking at the level 2, I can already see we have some resistance sitting up right around value area high, right? And the book is 10 to the downside. So already I can probably take a short entry, but let's wait. Let's wait. They're pulling the liquidity. Got some liquidity to the upside. Sellers, 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 sellers. A lot of sellers. So should I check this entry right at the open or should I wait? That's a dilemma right now, right? And We got tapped in right around this point. Got tapped inside this. We got tapped in right around selling imbalance, right? Now, should we take this short entry? Is the real question, right? Uh, let's see. Let's see how the tick chart is doing. Maybe, maybe, maybe I should, right? But let's have some patience. Let's fucking have some patience, because that's what we have been lacking for a couple days, right? Couple weeks, I would say. So let's show some maximum patience, and let's see. So we just rammed through this fucking place. We had been short around this point, then we would have been in profit right now, but shouldn't care about these these trades, right? We're trying to build discipline at this point, so doesn't even matter. Alright, sellers trying to tap in. Sellers are pretty aggressive, as I can see. CBD is completely to the downside. Now I want to see these buyers get tapped in and the sellers slow down a little bit, right? So the buyers pull up the liquidity, came back down again. That's definitely an algorithm. That's definitely an algorithm trying to pull the sellers maybe to his side. Let's see. 'Cause as soon as it went up right around this point, you see how the liquidity got pulled out, how the order got pulled out. See right on this point too. So it must be the market makers trying to profit based on the spread, right? Must be the market makers. So let's wait for this fucking price to get tapped in. Didn't get tapped in. So I can see sellers are a little bit weaker right now. All right, got some big buyers, big buyers. Let's see. One of them got tapped in. That's big ass reaction from there, right? Big ass reaction. So should I be long right now? Let's see. Where are we? Are we at the value area low? Yes, sir. We are at the value area low, and we took this. Let's take let's try
Order
out.
filled.
Let's try one contract for now. Small very small, right? Very small position. All right,
Order
we can get
filled.
more. Two more contracts. Let's see how much we can get off of this position, right? Let's risk 4 points. I don't want to be risking more than 4 points. How much is that? $58. All right, that's enough. So we're risking $58 to potentially targeting this high, 28 points. Uh that's 7 times the risk. I mean, it's not impossible trade, but 7 times the risk is a little bit too much, a little bit heavy on the account, right? I mean, if it goes up there, then that's a win. But we gotta we gotta wait and watch, see how the market reacts, right? All right, let's see at the tick chart. What's the tick chart doing? There's a small bear flag on the tick chart. Now we want the buyers to ram through this place. Just fucking take it higher from here. If it rams through, then I can put my stop loss to break even. Probably. We gotta see how big of a reaction it gives us, right? Yes, sir. Let's take it. Let's take it. Let's take it higher. Oh, we have a ceiling up there. Damn. We have this big ass seller sitting right up there. All right. We ran through this motherfucker. One more, huh? So they are really trying to press the market down. Really trying to press the market down. I don't want to be risking too much. Let's go risk free, right? Even if we lose this trade, it's all right. It's all right. It's the first trade on this account, so gotta be a little careful, a little bit, you know.
Order filled.
All right, order fill of $5, huh? Anyways, uh, what's wrong with my kick, man? What's wrong with my kick? Sometimes I see two viewers, and sometimes I see one viewer. I don't know what's wrong with my kick. All right, let me just journal my trades real quick. It's already half the month, huh? I mean, it's already half the year. 2026, almost to its end, huh? That's interesting. All right. So around this point, we see some more passive buyers, responsive buyers coming in. All right. Uh, is this the point of rejection? Let's see. I don't think I should be long at this point. I think it's a nice short setup actually. Yeah, but around battery area low, out of balance. Couldn't be a better trade than this, right? Could not be a better short trade than this. Small
Order filled.
contracts. Let's see.
Order
Two.
filled.
Let's do two contracts. Risking 10 points. That means we're risking $100, huh? Alright, let's risk 10 points to potentially make 20 points two times. Got a little bit of cold motion going around. Let's take it lower. I think we'll go more lower, right? Let's do 30 points. See, here's the thing. You gotta adapt to the market. I'm adapting to the market. If it looks nice, if the price action looks nice, if the trade looks nice to me, then why not? Why not take the maximum profit in the market, right? Now we see some buyers coming in, passive buyers. Let's see how these passive buyers come through. See, that's what I don't like about balanced market, because responsive buyers, passive buyers, they're filling in their orders so much that it's like a quick snapback, right? Market goes down, market comes up. Market goes down, market comes up. So if the balance continues, then we were gonna fucking bail out of the market, right? Fucking close our trade and just bail out of the market. That's the better thing to do. It's always the better thing to do. All right, yes, sir's key. That's what we want to see, right? That's exactly what we want to see. So second trade, first trade was a break-even trade. Second trade, will we get 30 points? Will we get 30 points? Wow, 165, 160, almost $160 in profit. Now, if we get down to 30 points, we'll make around $300, right? A little $300 trade for today. So, should we take half the profit, or should we risk all our money to make $300? That's the question. That's the question that every trader asks every day when they're about to trade. Me, I like to sit on my trades. Uh, that's the thing about having patience. You're sitting on the trade, and you're being there risking your money so that you can, make more profit. That's the point of the market. See, it's coming down. Now I'm gonna take 35 points. See, you gotta be fucking quick in the market, bro. You're a fucking scalper. You ain't no swing trader, you know. I'll take one
Order
off.
filled.
See, it's easy. It's really easy. It's just that people make it complicated, right? 16 points. We'll make 182. If it comes back up, we'll make $200. Still better than losing money, right? So 28 points right now. One contract, just one contract. I'll take 40. I'll take 40. Looks nice to me. I'll take 40. All right. Let's see some responsive sellers. Let's go. See these buyers not being able to push up. Let's see some responsive sellers. Let's go, sellers. Let's go. Let's take it lower. Second trade for the day, right? Second trade for the day. Nothing more, nothing less. Second trade for the day, and we see some sellers coming in. Aggressive. You see how it goes. Top to the upside. Slam down to the downside, right? That's how we know we're gonna go to the downside. So if it goes down, I'll take 40. I'll take 40. Risking a little bit less point. I think this high will hold. If it doesn't hold, then it's all right. Still up. We're still up for the day, so that's fine, I guess. All right, let's slam it down. Let's slam it down, sellers. Come on. Let's slam it down. Attaboy. Yes, sir. That's exactly what we want to see. You see how precise our stop loss is? See, that's not the strategy, brother. That's the experience. See how many times have I gotten stopped out like this? fucking hundreds of times, right? I'll take 45, risking a little bit less. All right, I'll take 50. If it gives me 50, I'll take 50. Doesn't matter. Risking a little bit more or less, right? See how fast are we without stop loss and take profit? I'll take 55. I'll take 60 actually, right? I'll risk a little bit less. So this is the point of trading. Like when the market is moving, why should we get out? See, our take profit, initial take profit was around this point. I could have just taken the all hold the profit, right? But it's not about the profit, it's about the patience, and it's about how much are you willing to be in the market, right? So if it comes up and bites us, then it's all right. That's part of the process, right? Now let's see. We see some responsive buyers. Let's slam through again. These buyers holding up. Uh yeah, these buyers are serious buyers. All right, let's slam through again. See, top, 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 ram through. A little bit of a resistance down there, but responsive sellers are still holding the price. Still holding the price. Let's see some more responsive sellers. Yes, sir. That's what we want to see. Now the market will go down. Let's see some aggressive sellers coming in, and the market will go down. We can move our stop loss after this. We can put it probably here or somewhere around here. Let's see. Responsive sellers, responsive sellers. Right up there. Aggressive sellers. Let's slam through. See, that's what I'm talking about. It's all experience. It's all watching the market for fucking thousands of hours. There's no strategy. There's no strategy in trading. There's fucking the hours you put in. Now I can move my stop loss a little bit. Will we get a 70-point banger? Will we get a 70-point banger? Never know. We never know, right? All we could do is just wait for our TP to hit or for our stop loss to hit. So will we have a 40-point banger or a 70-point banger? That's a win and fucking win situation. Alright? So these these responsive buyers are holding up a little bit. Little bit. Did we get stop out? Nah, we're still up. We're still down there. I see these responsive buyers getting the responsive
Order
sellers getting
filled.
little weaker. So yeah. So a 40-point banger to end the day. 40-point banger. 335 for the day. This is a new account, so a 40-point banger, huh? Nothing more we could ask for. 40-point banger. Yes, sir. Now, instantly, we know that market is going to reverse up. Just looking at the order flow, right? Responsive buyers couldn't hold it up. Now we need super heavy responsive buyers. Super heavy responsive buyers. We need to see some chop around, some kind of a rejection, and those kind of things. And I don't have time for that, right? I'm not gonna wait on this trade. One trade for the day is done. We're in profit. So yeah, it's a quick little day. First 20 minutes and we're already up. We met our profit target for the day. Um, we made $335 for today, and that's more than enough for us, right? More than enough. If we have these kind of days, 10 days, we're gonna have we will have passed this account, and then another 10 days we can get a payout. So that's it for today, and see y'all tomorrow in the market, or in the backtesting session tonight. All right, we are gonna be backtesting every single day, and we are gonna be documenting here live on YouTube. Right, it's all about the process, and I'm gonna be sharing the process with you to all these new traders, all those new traders that are trying to trade, that are trying to make money in the market. Let's make it together. Let's make it happen, brother. Right? We we only got one life, so let's live like it, right? Let's give it all. Let's give it our 100%. That's all I'm gonna say. If you're new and you're learning, just follow along, and we could just make it happen together. All right. So that's it. Done for today, and see y'all tomorrow.